Hi, I'm Josh Dalrymple, Dean, School of Law at Woxsen University. And I want to talk to you a little bit today about the practice of law. When we train law students in legal education, oftentimes they feel like all they need to do is remember the law, remember what's in the books, memorize the code sections, and recite that on an exam. As a managing member of a law firm, I know that's not enough. When I was hiring law students fresh out of law school, what I would look for is legal skills. Can they practice law? Are they actually lawyers? So here at Woxsen University, we focus on that. It's not just about books. We also do skill development. We practice trial advocacy, we practice diplomacy, we practice alternative dispute resolution. We also work on the same things, memorization, analysis, application of the law that many other law schools do. A few of the unique things that we do, though, are industry connection. Our law students spend a lot of time speaking to experts in the field, experts that are practicing law, experts that are placed globally, people in legal education. We also spend quite a bit of time with global interaction. Our law students have a lot of international exposure because we can't just practice law in a vacuum. It can't just be in one country anymore. We have two amazing programs, one that combines humanities and law and one that combines business and law. I'll let my colleagues explain both of those to you.
Have you ever thought of any course that can give you a leverage in understanding both business administration and law? Then BBA LLB is the right choice for you. School of Law Woxsen University provides this 5-year integrated dual degree program with multidisciplinary approach that give you a holistic understanding between how business and law can intersect and interact with each other. The program enhances critical legal thinking, analytical skills, problem solving skills, and also focus on developing business skills such as strategic management, financial management, business ethics, corporate governance, and also covers fundamental and advanced areas of law along with the specialized honors courses, making the graduate well versed in business and legal environment. Regular interactions with renowned academicians, leading scholars, business professionals, legal professionals, guest lectures, international seminars, conference, workshop will bridge the gap between academic training as well as practical training. It also emphasizes practical trainings through internship, moot court, legal aid clinics. It also emphasizes international collaboration and international exchange programs. So these factors combine to create a robust educational experience, positioning Woxsen University School of Law as a primary institution to pursue BBA LLB honors.
Students at Woxsen University are exposed to a global standard of legal education by way of their exposure to international faculties, thereby giving them a headway to many international legal systems. Then we also offer international internships, international legal exchange program, as well as legal incubation center that is there at Woxsen University, all of which has been specially curated by many international MOUs that Woxsen University has had with various internationally accredited organizations. We at Woxsen School of Law not just offer a global standard of legal education via a BA LLB program, rather a rich, internationally informed experience.